Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2026 at 10:29, and today we have our day one outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's day one outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, western and central Kansas, and southwestern and southern Nebraska. We have another margin of risk that encompasses parts of northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. We have a margin of risk that encompasses central and eastern Minnesota and parts of western and central Wisconsin, as well as parts of the UP of Michigan. And we have another margin of risk over here that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, parts of central Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, northeastern through central Kansas, central Oklahoma, parts of central and west central Texas, however you want to say that, and northeastern New Mexico and eastern Wyoming. So we have those areas under a margin of risk for today. We also have parts of southern Alabama, northern and western Florida, southern Georgia, and southeastern South Carolina having a margin of risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for today. We have Duluth, Eau Claire, Superior, Stillwater, and Hibbing under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of southwestern and southern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western and central Kansas, western Oklahoma Panhandle, northeastern New Mexico, and northern Texas Panhandle. We have a another 15% that encompasses northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of southwestern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, eastern New Mexico, central or west central Texas Panhandle, however you want to say that, parts of central Oklahoma, and going back through a small part of central Kansas. We have a 5% normal that encompasses parts of central Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, northeastern through central Kansas, central Oklahoma, going back through parts of eastern New Mexico, eastern Colorado, and southeastern Wyoming. We have another 5% that encompasses parts of northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. And we have another 5% over here that encompasses southern Alabama, western and northern Florida, southern Georgia, and southeastern South Carolina. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. So we have Lubbock, Amarillo, Salina, Grand Island, and Hutchinson under the significant severe. Amarillo, Duluth, Salina, Grand Island, and Hutchinson under the 15%. And Jacksonville, Omaha, Colorado Springs, Minneapolis, and Wichita under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% hatch, we also could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. And 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of southwestern Nebraska, northern Kansas, and extreme northeastern Colorado. We have another 15% that encompasses parts of northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin and the parts of the UP of Michigan. And we have another one that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, central and southern Nebraska, extreme southwestern Iowa, much of western and central Kansas, eastern Colorado, western Oklahoma Panhandle, northern Texas Panhandle, and northeastern New Mexico. We have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Duluth, Kearney, Superior, North Platte, and Stillwater under the 15%, And Omaha, Colorado Springs, Minneapolis, Aurora, and St. Paul under the 5%. So for the 15% areas, we could see 1 to 3, 1 to 3 inch downward hill possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hill possible today. So please be mindful of that. There went the reset. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered severe thunderstorms are likely across parts of the central and southern plains this afternoon and evening, and also possible across portions of the upper Mississippi Valley. Severe wind gusts and large hail are the primary hazards. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk.
Now what we want to see, of course, we still have folks there in Gary, Indiana, still without power from like 2 weeks ago. Thanks for more severe storms coming.
There's today's wind risk.
COPD is an ugly reality. I watch as this world just keeps getting smaller. But then
There's today's tornado risk.
I see things a little differently. With 3 medicines and 1 inhaler, Trelegy keeps airways open for a full 24 hours and prevents future
And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon, as well as any day 1 outlook updates. Anyway, in the meantime, have a great day. Stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.